Welcome to Sealexpert video presentation. Today we are going to show you how to use the SP30 Zinc cold galvanizing aerosol to coat on rusted surfaces or repair damaged galvanized surfaces. Use a sandpaper or wire brush to remove loose rusts from the metal surface. Shake the can well before use. Spray SP30 Zinc cold galvanizing aerosol at approximately 100 mm away from the surface. Swipe the spray across the entire surface, ensuring that it is evenly covered. For more information, visit our website www.sealexpert.com.